Hello guys, okay, this is the last video for the partial fraction techniques. So in this last video we are going to see on how we deal with the improper fraction. So previous one we deal with a proper fraction because the degree of numerator is strictly smaller than degree of numerator. So if you have a fraction, something like this, fx over gx, the degree of your upper part or the degree of your numerator must be smaller compared to the gx. For example, here if you have x squared divided by x cubed, so here we can consider it as a proper fraction since the degree of your upper part is smaller compared to your denominator. But let's say here if we have x cubed divided by x power of 2, so this is what we call as a improper fraction because the degree of your numerator is more than your denominator. But what happens if we have the same degree? For example, here is x squared divided by x squared plus 1, for example. So basically it falls into the same category as improper. Okay, you can try to reverse this video, replay this video and see how we determine proper and improper fraction. So here our case will be on the part of improper fraction and on how to solve it. So in order for us to solve the improper fraction, we are going to actually convert it into proper fraction by doing the long division. So I hope you still remember the long division that we have learned in Mathematics 1. Okay, now let us use the example 1 as our lecture example. Alright. Okay, if we look closely into this fraction, we can see that the degree of your numerator is higher compared to your denominator. So you can say that this is an improper fraction. So in order to start our calculation, we need to actually convert it into proper fraction. So what is the medium that we need to use? So in order for us to convert it, we are going to use long division. Okay, now I want to introduce you how to deal with the long division. Right, so let me erase this part. So we are going to put it as a division because the numerator are going to be divided by the denominator. So you are going to get here x power of 5 minus with 2x power of 4 plus with x cubed plus with x plus with 5 divide by we are going to divide it by your denominator, which is here x cubed minus with 2x squared plus with x minus with 2. Okay, now we want to eliminate the value of x power of 5. So we need to think of any numbers that should be multiplied by x cubed so that we get x power of 5. So here we are going to put it as x power of 2. Because x power of 2 multiply with x cubed here, you are supposed to get x power of 5. So here you are going to get here x power 5. And the operation that we are going to use here is a subtraction. Then x power of 2 also must be multiplied by 2x power of 2, where you are supposed to get here x power of 2 multiplied by x power of 2 here. It will be minus with 2x power of 4. X power of 2 multiplied by x will be x cubed, which is plus x cubed. X power of 2 also must be multiplied by minus 2. So you are going to get here, sorry, here I'm supposed to get, oh, this is x power of 1. So what we need to do now, we need to give a place for 0 x power of 2, then plus x plus 5. So x power of 2 multiplied by 2, you are going to get here minus 2x power of 2. Now let us try to subtract it. This one you are going to get 0, negative, and this one will be plus, minus and minus. So you will still get 0 there. So x cubed minus x cubed is also 0. So here you are going to get plus with 2x plus with x plus with 5. So you just need to bring this one down to the bottom. So now what we are going to see, the x power of 2 is now less than x cubed. So we can just stop doing the long division, because the power of your remainder is now less than your divisor. So you can stop doing the long division. So now let us put it into the value. So let's say I put here as ax. This part I name it as dx. And here, since this is our remainder, so I put it as rx. So in order for you to write it in the final answer, it's supposed to be ax plus with rx divided by dx. This is the format on how you write the answer for the partial fraction, or for the long division, sorry. So you are going to get here x power of 2 plus with 2x squared plus x plus with 5 over x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, if you look into this fraction, this is already become a proper fraction, since the power of your numerator is smaller compared to your degree of your denominator. Okay, so now instead of integrate this part, you need to integrate this one. So I think for integration of x squared is supposed to be easy for you, but here, in order for you to simplify this part, we are going to deal with what we call as a partial fraction. Okay, so I want you to try to do it in your own on how to deal with the partial fraction on this part. We are going to discuss it in our Telegram on how to solve this part. Okay, so thank you, class. This is my last video for chapter 2. So my next video will be on chapter 3. So we already finished chapter 2 now. Thank you very much.